How to change your Fantasy Premier League team name. Now, changing your league team name is very easy. I'm going to show you how you can configure the settings of the league that you created or from the team that you created. First is open up your Premier League application, and then below you should be able to see latest fantasy matches, explore, and more. So go and access the Fantasy Premier League. From here, you should now then be able to choose or to be to view all the teams or all of the leagues that you created. If you just scroll down a little bit under leagues and cups, you should be able to configure the league that you created. Tap on that. And then on the next page, all the teams or all the league that you created will actually be visible here. Now take note that you must be the manager or in short, you have to be the one who created the team or the league so that you can configure the settings and that you can change or customize the league team name. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change your Fantasy Premier League team name.